morning, everyone. I know I'm like super after a long time on YouTube, but then somehow today I made up all the things and I'm finally out for the ride with a few mates. Behind me is Yogesh, ahead of me is Mihir and Vasu, then Mihir and Mayank. So today we are going to a destination where we will be trekking, as well as there is a beautiful waterfall nearby. Nearby Mudbad. I won't say the name right now. You guys need to wait and check it out. Where is the destination? So for that sake, let's continue with our vlog. And once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Bombay Rider.
On a new adventure.
We have reached Kalyan Shilfada Road, and from the Shilfada Road we took right, and now we are heading towards, there is one more left turn ahead. Yeah, and the destination is most 77 kilometers, and right now the time is 5:30 in the morning. We are good to go. We are on perfect right timing. There is no delay, no buffer, nothing. Touch wood, everything is going perfectly fine. So right now the time is 7:35. We took a break for chai nasta. We also had garam vada pav. It was amazing. We are somewhere about 12 kilometers before Murbad, and from ahead of that it was more 30 kilometers. Yeah, the location is nearby, but the route is not that good. Earlier the patch was complete off-roading, like almost a patch of 2 kilometers was off-roading. That took a time for us, but now it's fine. The road is good, but still it is curvy and wavy, so it's gonna take time. I mean, like 100 kilometers taking 3 hours of time, that means roads are not that good. What climate है यार. Morning is really pleasant and the climate is amazing, trust me. Wow यार, seriously. इसलिए मुझे विंटर्स भी बहुत पसंद है. आई एम नॉट अ फैन ऑफ मानसून और समर, नॉट एट ऑल. विंटर्स ऑल टाइम फेवरेट. कभी भी उठो, कहीं भी निकल जाओ. स्लो डाउन. अलग ही मज़ा आता है यार विंटर्स में ड्राइव करने का, बहुत ज़्यादा. अरे अरे क्या मस्त है यार. हाय, हाउ आर यू? How are you? How are you? बहुत मस्त है. बाय 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 बाय. पिकी खाना. So finally we are done with our breakfast and now heading towards our destination, which is approx 17 kilometers ahead. So let's move from here. It was a good hotel. You can see they have a good parking area, as well as everything is so good.
On a new adventure.
I will share the location of this destination with you guys, because we are enjoying this route. Earlier it was little cranky for the off-roading part, but now we are truly enjoying this. Just be careful while riding on these roads. There are so many dogs and their puppies. They might come and counter with your bike at any moment. So see this. So it's better you ride carefully and be in your control speed. Reaching the destination, the route is getting narrower and more interesting with this loving dogs and puppies. And this is the old one. Hello. Like we are just 16 minutes away. 6 kilometers ahead. Luckily we have a network over here so that we can reach the destination through the Google Maps border view. To see those clouds, this is the best part about Maharashtra. You have so many mountain ranges with breathtaking view. I hope you guys are enjoying this view. इथून आहे. The route is getting more narrower and this too interesting. भेटेल हा दाखवतोय. This is where we got our parking for today. So as you guys have seen, we have parked our bike over there and this is the entrance. From this by foot route we are taking left. And that's our lost brother from Mumbai.
Nice one. Must.
And that's the mandir over there. So we'll be heading to inside. These are few empty rooms, maybe for people who are coming here if they want to stay. And the best part is that this place is not that littered and people have maintained it really well. I like that part. Chala. And finally, this is the main attraction of this trek. It is a cave which is carved under one single rock of a mountain, and that too something around 2500 years ago. Can't believe it now, but man made this possible. There's also Pujari who take care of this place and who do all the rituals for the Ganesh Murti present in this cave. Also there are few rooms, maybe for the Pujari to stay during the night time. And this is the second room of this cave. And on the right hand side there is a little cooking area where Pujariji must be cooking his meals.
And finally, after the trek, we thought to wait and enjoy this waterway for some time, and we clicked some pics. I'll be sharing that with you guys.